जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Kishkindha-kanda. Then with all of her peaceful mind, Tara saying to Sri Ramachandra Swami like this, Ho Rama, Tvam Aprameyascha. Ho Rama, you have unlimited divine attributes, Ananta Kalyana Gunas. Nobody can appreciate all those qualities. Nobody can praise you to the enough extent. Ho Rama, Durasadascha, you have so much of divine miraculous power. Ho Rama, you are beyond imagination even by minds, even by great minds. Jitendriyascha, Ho Rama, you have all of your senses under your perfect control. Uttama dharmikascha, Ho Rama, you are so generous and you are an embodiment of dharma. Akshaya kirtischa, Rama, your fame never goes down, your fame never sinks down. Vichakshanascha, Ho Rama, you have very great amount of discriminative power. You have very great amount of ability to discriminate what is right, what is wrong. Kshiti Kshamavan, Ho Rama, you have such a great amount of compassion equivalent to the compassion of Bhumi. Kshataja Upamakshaha, Ho Rama, beautiful eyes you have, red eyes you have, that shows how much of compassion it is flowing out of your eyes. Ho Rama, you are so strong. Ho Rama, your physique is so structured. Ho Rama, nobody has this kind of structured physique and nobody's body glows like this. Only you have that kind of body and only you have that kind of structure. Ho Rama, yenaika banena hata priyo me. Just with one arrow you killed my husband Vali. Ho Rama, tenaiva mam tvam Jahisayakena, with the same arrow, can you please kill me also, Rama? Ho Rama, please kill me with the same arrow. Ho Rama, I would like to go to my Vali. Without me, Vali cannot be happy even in Swargam, even in heaven. Ho Viruda Sri Ramachandra, how you are feeling so much distressed and depressed and lost because there is no Sita right next to you. So also my Vali would feel the same amount of grief and pain. Ho Rama, you know very well the severity of the pain of not having a wife right next to you. And now the same amount of pain Vali would feel even if he goes to Brahmalokam or Swargalokam. I do not want to have my Vali feel that kind of pain. That is why, Ho Rama, please kill me with the same arrow. Jahimam, kill me. I would like to go to Vali and be with him and make him feel happy. Like that, Tara saying to Sri Ramachandra Swami. Tara saying to Sri Ramachandra Swami like this, Ho Rama, whichever the arrow you used to kill Vali, I request you kill me with the same arrow. Ho Rama, don't think that because you are going to kill a woman that taints you so much of Stri Hatya Dosham, so much of Papam. No, don't think like that, because you consider me as a soul. To whom? Vali. If Vali is body, you consider me as a soul of Vali. that is how you kill me. Then you would not get any kind of papam. That is what our Dharmasastram says. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.